Welcome back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and please leave your comments. Thank you all for being here. I really appreciate all the support that I get from you. Without you, I would not have a channel, and I feel very fortunate to have you here. Okay. This video is a little different from me because I'm going to unveil some lies that's been being told here on YouTube about the stimulus. Also, I want to tell you something about me and the way I feel about my channel. Okay. Y'all, I am not a news reporter by any stretch of the means. I look at you as my friends and my extended family. I just gather news that I've seen in the media and places, and I bring it back to you, and I put it in my own words, and I tell you about it. Am I trying to be a news reporter here on YouTube? No, I could never do that. If people want to be a news reporter, they need to go apply for the job at TV stations. I am not in any way trying to be a news reporter. I'm just here talking to my friends and extended family. I hope y'all like the way I do this. I just put it in my own words and tell you the way I see it. I also embed my opinions where it is necessary. Some people like my opinion, some people don't. That's the beauty of being American. We have the right to disagree. I like to keep it as I'm just talking to my friends, and that's what I'm doing. Okay, I want to bust one of the worst clickbaiters on YouTube. I am not going to call this person's name because I don't want to get in any trouble. And it would not be right, since I am a YouTuber in the same category. We talk about the same things. It would not be right for me to call his name. But if you've seen this person, you will know right off the bat who it is. Okay, I've checked this person's YouTube channel out on Social Blade. He's got over 300,000 subscribers. And it's a shame that he has to stoop to this level to get views. He's got all these subscribers. He could tell the truth and still get good subscribers. I went to Social Blade, and this person, now understand this. Anytime you go to Social Blade and look up somebody's YouTube channel, it tells you how much money they make. They're always wrong. They're always way under what that person makes. But they say this person makes $561,000 a year. And he also makes $46,000 a month. Now, keep in mind, they're always under. So you could probably go half again this much more. He makes this money out of lying to you. I have never watched his videos all the way through because I can't stomach looking at him. But I do see his thumbnails. Every one of them is clickbait. I have tried to watch his videos, and he looks like and talks like a Liberace reject. All of his thumbnails, big letters, good news. And I hadn't heard any good news in a while now. But every one of his videos either says good news or great news, real big. He's got them that says, just yesterday, $2,400 stimulus approved. Where did that come from? He's got a lot of videos that says $2,400 stimulus. He makes 9 videos a day. Each of his videos gets around 40,000 views. He's got one that, well, he's got a lot of them that's real big letters. He just had one yesterday. Big letters to catch people's attention. SSI, SSDI checks. This is all a bunch of lies. It's clickbait. I mean, you don't even have to watch his video. His thumbnails are lying to you. I clicked on one of his videos and I read a few of his comments. Now, I know he must get some hate comments, but he must remove them because everybody in his comment feed loves him. But yet, I try to give the truth, and I get accused of clickbait all the time. And if I do clickbait, it's not my intention, and I try real hard not to. But of course, people's opinions are different, and some people will see something as clickbait when it really is not. But this guy's thumbnails are all plainly clickbait. I will not call his name, but I'm sure by now you know who he is. A lot of people has referenced him in the comments of my videos, saying that I need to watch him. He tells the truth. Well, I hadn't watched any of his videos to really know what he's talking about, but he sure don't tell the truth on his thumbnails and titles. Y'all, just be careful who you believe. Right now, there's not a whole lot going on in stimulus. So how can he make 9 videos a day? And there's been nothing approved. And SSI, SSDI, he's trying to get them to click because he knows that's a hot topic. But if anybody gets a stimulus check, these people will get it too. Great news, good news, there hadn't been any in a few weeks. And what we thought was good news then, well, nothing good happened out of it, so it probably wasn't good news. Y'all, please be careful who you believe. I mean, like this person is out to make money. That's all he's doing. He's wanting your clicks, so he lies in his thumbnails and on his titles to get your click. And like I said, $561,000 a year, $46,000 a month, and that's on the low side. He makes a lot more than that. I don't know if he's selling any products or not, but if he is, that's just more money for him. Y'all, I'm telling you this because I don't want you to be taken in by this person. This person is a scam artist, in my opinion. Y'all, I love you all. We will get through this with Jesus Christ. I mean, he will get us through this. Say a prayer for our country. Say a prayer for our leaders. Say a prayer for everyone touched by COVID or by our government. And say a prayer for the whole world. And this person that I'm talking about here, if you know who I'm talking about, say a prayer for him that he will get a conscience and quit doing this. This person uses the same thumbnails over and over and over. I guess he paid a lot of money to get those thumbnails made, and he don't know how to make thumbnails. I don't know. That's just my guess. I love you all. Please come back at 9 p.m. tonight and watch my wife and I. We have a live stream, and we don't talk stimulus. We don't talk politics. We don't talk Bitcoin or nothing like that. We just hang out and have a lot of good fun, and there's a lot of people that hangs out with us. That's our escape from all of this mess. Just know I love you all, and I hope to see you there. Ciao.